Hello, today we're going to talk about uploading digital objects to MemoryNS. But where to start? You need to create an archival description, gather digital images, upload or link the images to the description. Please note that each member gets a minimal amount of space to upload images. If you have many images to include, please create a free Flickr account or have a web server to link the images to MemoryNS. And now that I've talked about what we're going to do today, I will show you on the website. So this is the example font that we have gone through together multiple times, but I have deleted the images you may have seen in previous videos. I want to show you how to upload them from scratch. So if you look down at the bottom bar, you can see the More function, which we talked about before. And there are two options. You have import digital objects and link digital objects. I'm going to talk about linking digital objects first. And this is where you need to have your web server or create your Flickr account where you can add the URL to link the photo to the file. So I have a link given to me by the Nova Scotia Archives, which I'll use as an example. This link here, if you can see the little flag in the tab, this is from their web server. And the second link here is from Flickr, which you can see in the tab as well. So if I copy and paste this, and then paste it into this bar, and select Create, it puts the photo at the top of the font level description, which is what you want. However, I will say that when you're looking to upload photos via linking them from a web server or Flickr account, you can only do so one at a time. So if we go back down to the More, you can now edit digital object. This allows you to look at the reference representation or the thumbnail representation. You'll notice that there are three images. This top image is your master image, and the other two are just representations of said master. You want to be careful of the media type because it does fill itself in, but if you have an image of a text, such as a JPEG of a written document, that's still technically a text, but MemoryNS might register it as an image, so you will have to change that. But in this instance, we do have an image. If you want to delete this digital object, you just go down to the bottom bar and select delete, and then you have the option to do so. So that is how you upload digital objects via linking, but as I said, you can only do it one at a time. So now let's talk about uploading your digital objects. So let's go back down to the More function and go import digital objects. And so this comes up and you can select your files and your camera roll will come up. So you can go to your saved images. So let's say you want to upload the majority of these photos. And so then they all upload onto this screen and you can see their status. And at the title here, you can see image $DD$, and that's just what gives it its descending numbers. So it's giving it image 1, image 2, image 3. But you could also change this to be photos or whatever you would like. And then you can go here and you could make these items if you'd like, as if it's part of a series, and then you can import them. Now you have multiple images that have been added to this scrolling bar option. Another item I'd like to point out is that once you upload all the desired photos, you still have to go back into each photo and upload an individually formatted archival description about them. So let's select the sunset picture and you go to Edit. You have the opportunity to fill out your item level description about said image, which we've gone through before when we talked about creating a font level description. So you have the opportunity to ensure that every image has information about it. So that's all the information you need to know about uploading digital objects or images to the font level description. So thank you very much for watching.